My name is Yoni Belmaker, and we're sitting here at the Steinhardt Museum of Natural History at Tel Aviv University. Climate change is having a huge impact on the area of the Mediterranean, which is one of the warmest in the world and one of the fastest warming also into the future. And the main effects of climate change on fish are the change in distribution. They're moving away from our area, they're decreasing in abundance, and also going to deeper waters where we can see them much less. The things are happening here faster than any other place on Earth. So the number of invasive species coming in from the Red Sea, the impact of climate change, the impact of fishing are very, very strong over here. So anything we learn here will allow us to understand more about other places in the world. With more and more using advanced analytic methods such as AI to analyze the data, and there's a vast amount of data out there. Data from researchers such as myself that'll go out and take videos and other information from the field. And that data is now analyzed using AI methods that allow much deeper understanding of patterns and processes in the marine environment. The next step will be to try and implement mitigation methods to decide what the best route is to actually stop these effects from happening. For example, establishing more marine protected areas that might stop the effect of climate change or the effect of invasive species in our waters. What I really love about TAU, the student body, I have a young, vibrant, curious, that's a pleasure to work with, and they're really curious about science and environmental science. In addition, we're sitting here at the Steinhardt Museum of Natural History. It's a really huge resource for Tel Aviv University, for Israel, and for the globe focused on marine science.